Here's a 2015 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, manual tilting steering column, sync with My Ford external memory control, rear parking sensors, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, sync voice activation, aluminum wheels, sync app link, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. New Car Test Drive writes, for many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.